How to reactivate Amazon Flex account. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can reactivate your Amazon Flex account. If Amazon disable your account, now all you have to do is just follow these steps to get your Amazon account back. So first of all, to recover your Amazon Flex account, you have to pass the appeal process. You can submit your appeal by contacting the support at amazonflexsupport@amazon.com. They will provide you the detail about the deactivation reasons and the steps followed. And while your Amazon Flex account is getting recovered, you can use the alternatives such as point pickup, dispatch it, go share, etc. How do you write an email Amazon Flex reactivation? Because it is crucial to follow the correct process, which includes writing an Amazon Flex deactivation appeal letter to Amazon Flex support team. To start, you will need to provide detailed explanation of why you believed that the outcome was unfair. It was important to provide specific details such as the date, time, and location of the delivery, as well as any relevant screenshots or photos. Additionally, you should explain how the warning or deactivation was affected your ability to work and earn a living. To enhance the effectiveness of your appeal, you should include any relevant facts that support your case. For example, if you could highlight your rating and feedback from customers as well as any positive reviews you may have received. When writing your Amazon Flex appeal letter sample, it is important to be respectful and professional. Avoid blaming others and instead focus on providing evidence to support your appeal. Additionally, do not undermine the decision of the support team, but rather present your case in a way that encourages them to give you a fair consideration. So just keep all these things in mind. And there must be a question in your head that how long it will take for Amazon to reactivate your account. So depending on the reason for your deactivation, the reactivation process takes 1 to 10 days. For minor problems such as not up to date documents, your account should be reactivated quickly. On the other hand, for serious reason, Amazon will perform investigations accordingly. So this is basically how you can reactivate your Amazon Flex account. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.